Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can pay for gas using your Cash App, even if you don't have your physical Cash App card with you. We've all been in that situation where we've forgotten a card or just don't have it on us. So let's dive into the different methods you can use to solve this problem. If you have been issued a Cash App card but don't have it physically, your first and best option is to use your virtual Cash App card details. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap on the card tab or icon in the bottom left corner. This will bring up an image of your virtual Cash App card. To see the actual card numbers you'll need, tap on the small I icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will reveal your full card number, the expiration date, and the all-important CVV security code. At many modern gas stations, you can use these details directly at the pump. When prompted to pay, select the debit or credit option and manually type in your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV, just as if you were swiping a physical card. This process works because the pump is processing the transaction like an online payment. Using a mobile wallet for contactless payment. Another great method, especially if the gas station supports contactless Tap to Pay, is to use a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. To set this up, go back to that same card screen in your Cash App. Look for an option that says Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay, and follow the simple on-screen prompts to link your virtual card. Once it's successfully added, paying is easy. At a compatible gas pump or inside at the register, simply unlock your phone, open your mobile wallet app, hold your phone near the contactless payment symbol on the terminal, and authenticate the payment with your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. If you have not been issued a Cash App card, your options are a bit more limited in this case, but one method you can try is paying another person directly through the app. If you're at a gas station and someone else is also pumping gas, you can politely ask if they would be willing to pay for your gas on their card. In return, you would send them the full amount instantly using your Cash App balance. To do this, you would open your Cash App, tap the Pay tab, and enter their unique $cash tag. It's crucial that you send them the money and have them receive it before they pay for your gas on their card to ensure they are comfortable with the transaction. This method relies on finding a helpful person, but it can be a lifesaver. And that's it, guys. Those are the main ways you can get gas using your Cash App funds when you don't have your physical card handy. The virtual card method is usually the most reliable, so I'd recommend giving that a try first.